Hello everyone. I hope you are ready to start your session. How are you? Okay, I'm so good. Welcome to Miss Rati's English class where we learn to read and write in English. But before we start our lesson, let's talk about the class rules. Rule number one, you need to be on time. Okay, so what do I mean here? You need to set your time for your English lessons. Okay, you need to do like one lesson every day. Okay, so now you need to sit properly. You choose the way you want to sit like this one or to sit like this one. Okay. I want you to bring your pencil, your crayons, and your notebook because we are going to write. Okay. And then you need to listen, no shouting, and no playing. Okay. You need to listen very attentively. All right. Let's move on. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the letter sound Q, and the letter sound Q is its name. But for us to be able to read and write words in English with the Q letter, we need to know the letter sound. Okay, so the sound for the letter Q is qua, 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 qua. The duck says qua, 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 qua. Can you say qua, 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 qua? Okay, can you do that? Qua, 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 qua. Okay. For more letter sound practice, you can check Jolly Phonics letter Q sound. Okay, there is a song like this one. Okay, the duck says qua, 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 qua. Okay, but you just need to know that it's qua, 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 qua. Okay, wherever you see Q, the sound is qua. Now, our learning objectives for this lesson are you need to identify and say the letter sound qua. You need to practice to write upper and lower case qua. Okay, and the last one, you need to be able to read and write words with qua sound. Right, so easy. Now let's look at the objects that begin with the qua sound. Can you pause the video right and try to name and describe the pictures? Can you do that for me, please? All right, I hope you are done. So what is the name for this red part? This is a circle and it's divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So what do we call the red part? It starts with qua. This is a quarter, okay? A quarter of a circle. And then this small blanket, what do we call it? This is a quilt, okay? Do you have a quilt? Okay, and look at this one. Who is this one? The beautiful lady. All right, very good. That is our queen. Okay, queen. And here, this bed. That is a quail. Okay, quail. And if I put a finger on my mouth, I am saying, please keep quiet. Okay, please keep quiet. We are making noise. Very good. That's quiet. And this sign, what is this? And we are going to learn to write sentences using this mark. Okay. What is this one? That's a question mark. Question mark. Okay. So now let's move on to writing practice. Now let's see how to write the uppercase qua. You are going to draw a circle like this one. Just write a circle. You need to touch this line and this one. My goodness, what is happening with my laptop? And then you need to just write a small line like that. Okay, let's do together a big circle and a small line. Very good. And the next one, the uppercase, your circle, you go up, you go down, and you make a U-turn. All right. Very easy, right? Can you do again one more time? The lowercase qua. Very good. Then you go down. You make your U-turn. Yes. I did it. Okay, so now you can take out your worksheet for the letter qua or that textbook you bought from the shop with letters to trace. Okay, so go to the page with the letter qua. How many lines do we have here? Okay, so I want you to trace. Okay, it depends with your worksheet how many lines it has. For the uppercase qua and for the lowercase qua. So you need to practice to trace the letter, okay? When you are done, take your notebook and write. Okay, before we go to the next slide, let me just tell you, if you want worksheets like this one, you can log on to www.twohappybears.com. Right? You can download so many amazing worksheets there. Okay, so your notebook now is time to write in your notebook. I want you to write 1, 2, 3, 3 lines of uppercase qua, and then 1, 2, 3 lines of lowercase qua. Okay, so you can pause the video and do your handwriting practice. When you are done, then we are going to read the words. So we are going to read, we have like 4 words with the letter qua. Why do we have only 4 letters? 4 words, sorry, because we are going to read only words with the letter sounds that we have done so far. Okay, we are not going to put words with the letter sounds that we have not yet done. Okay, so we do our reading, we do our writing in stages. We follow simple stages so that you will understand everything. As we go on, we are going to read big words and also big sentences. We do our things starting from the simple going to the complex. All right, so now let's read. We have our words here. Okay, if you look at the colors, it shows that you need to say the letter sound for red and the letter sound for yellow and the sound for the green box. So how many boxes we have here? We have 3. So it means you need to say 3 sounds. Okay, and the picture is there to guide you. Okay, so now I want you to say the sound for this one. Okay, very good. Yeah, good. And this one, nice one. Now what is the word? Can you try? Nice. Okay. So now let's read together. Kwa, a, k. Kwa, a, k. Quack. Okay. One more time. Kwa, a, k. Quack. Okay. Now let's move on to the next picture. I want you to say the sound for the red box. Very good. Very good in yellow. Good. And the green box. Yeah. So what is the word? Can you see this one? All right. Very good. Now let's read together. Kwa, I, l. Quill. Kwa, I, l. Quill. Now let's move on to the next one. Okay, look at the children. These are school students. They are having something. You can see the question mark, and this one shows they are thinking. Okay. So I want you also now to say the letter sounds. Yes, yes, yes. What is the word? Beautiful. Let's read together. Qua, I, z. Quiz. They are having a quiz. Okay. Qua, I, z. Quiz. Very good. Now the next one. Can you say the letter sound? Very good. Very good. Nice. What is the word? Okay, okay, okay. Let's read together. Qua, I, k. Quick. Qua, I, k. Quick. Okay. Now, you can pause the video and try to read the words again. It's fine. And now we are going to write our words with the qua sound. All right. Now you can pause the video, try to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures. Okay. In your notebook, remember, draw your 4 pictures in your notebook and use crayons to color your pictures. Make them so beautiful. And when you are done, we are going to write the words. So for here, I want you to write Hua, A for apple, and K. Okay, K, the one with K for cat, and K with for kite. Okay, Hua, A, K. Can you see here? Okay, I'm not going to say anything. All right. When you are done, you come here. You are going to write Qua, I, queer. Okay. Qua, I, queer. And then for here, Qua, I, z. Quiz. Qua, I, z. Quiz. All right. And the last word is Qua, I, k. Quick. This k. Okay. Qua, I, k. Quick. Okay, so I think you are done. You can pause the video and try to finish your words. And then when you are done, you come here for self-assessment. Let me show you the words and then you check. All right. Qua, k, quack. I want you to check here. My qua, it doesn't have a U-turn. So when you are writing, you can put the U-turn or you can leave it like this. It depends, okay, with your teacher. What does your teacher wants you to do? All right. And the next word is this one. Qua, I, l, quill. And the next one, qua, I, z, quiz. And here, qua, I, k, quick. So these are our words. If you made a mistake, you can pause the video and do your corrections. Then when you are done, we are going to write sentences. And how many sentences we are going to write? Only three sentences. Okay, so pause the video and draw 1, 2, 3 pictures. Okay, and when you are done, we are going to write, I have a quiz. Qua, is. Remember, please, uppercase, finger space, and your full stop when you are writing your sentences, right? Okay, so write, I have a quiz. Qua, is quiz. And number 2 sentence, this one, after drawing your picture, I want you to write, I can quack. I can quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. I can quack. Okay. Okay, so don't forget to start with your uppercase or capital letter, then your finger space, and also your full stop. Pause the video and write, I can quack. When you are done, the last sentence is this one. You draw your picture and then you write this, finger space, is, finger space, a, finger space, quill. Okay, this is a quill. Can you write that? Qua, I, l, quill. And your full stop, don't forget. When you are done, let's check. I will show you the sentences. I have a quiz. Full stop. Can you check? Did you start with a capital letter or uppercase? Your finger space and the full stop. Nice one. And here, I can quack. Capital I, finger space, and your full stop. I can quack, quack, quack. Next one, which is our last one. This is a quill. Capital T. And then finger space, your finger space, and your full stop. Okay. You can pause the video and do your corrections. When you are done, we are going to the next slide. All right. So, I want you to say the letter sound. Qua, 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 qua. Qua, 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 qua. Okay. And to name 5 objects, we start with the qua sound. Can you try to remember them? Okay, let me show you from here. Okay, so I want you to pause the video, right? And try to name all these ones. And you can also check in your house if you have other objects that begin with the qua sound. So pause the video and try to name and describe these objects. When you are done, we move on. We move on. I want you to keep on tracing and writing the letter qua, 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 the uppercase and the lowercase. And to draw and write words with qua sound. Okay, where are the words? Where are the words? Words with qua sound here. And you can try also to draw and write other words with qua sound, just for handwriting practice. And then to keep on practicing to write sentences. Okay, keep on practicing to write sentences. Now, last lesson, right? I think so. I told you I want you to draw a picture. When you draw your picture, try to write like 4 to 5 sentences about that picture. Okay, so that's what I want you to practice. Okay, after doing this work, try to do that. Now, I would like to say great job to everyone. Thank you so much for joining the lesson. It was so amazing to have you. Okay, I want to say thank you, and don't forget to revise your previous lessons. Okay, and to keep on practicing to write the other lesson letters that we have done. So for this one, I think we are done with all our letters, our 26 letters of the alphabet. This is the last one. In the next lesson, I will see we are going to start diagraphs. Okay, so thank you so much. If you like the video, don't forget to click the like button and to click the subscribe button, so that when I post a new video, you will get a notification and you'll be the first one to watch. Okay, thank you so much. Take care. I love you. Goodbye.